guys, welcome to Easel. So for a long time I've been thinking of creating easy art and craft videos, and here I am with my first ever video on 12 easy Zentangle patterns which you can try, and later on you can use those for doodling and other type of painting. So let's get started and get your Zentangles on. So these are the things which we are using to create the Zentangles. Also, I have created 12 square box so that you can understand this Zentangle pattern more easily. And we are done with the first one. Isn't that super duper easy? Let's start the second one. You can leave till here if you want to do a simpler one, or can add detailing like I am doing here to make it look more neat. Let's get started with the third one. Here also I have created smaller boxes within the big square like the first one to make my pattern look more neat, and it's very easy to create as well. And the third one is almost done. It looks so detailed, clean and beautiful. In this one, I have actually divided the square in 5 parts. So my main square was of 5 cm each side. So here I have created 5 parts of 1 cm each so that I can create the pattern more easily. This one I have divided the square into 10 diagonal parts. I have started by dividing the square into 2 parts by 1 diagonal line, and then I have continued the same. After that I am making cross lines all over like this in each of the slides. And now I am filling the alternate boxes to create this pattern. Like the first and third one, I am dividing this square also in smaller boxes, and this is one of the easiest Zentangle pattern we are creating. Yay! And with this we are 50% done. We have completed 6 awesome Zentangle. So let's start the 7th one. These lines which I am drawing now are like the horizontal version of the lines which we drawn in the 4th pattern. If you want to draw a simpler version, you can do till here, or in case you want some detailing, you can continue following me and do this detailing part. Here also I am dividing the main square into multiple parts like we did before. Now follow me very carefully to understand how I am dividing each boxes by drawing diagonal lines, and then I am drawing parallel lines to complete the pattern, and see how it formed a nice leafy effect. So in the next pattern we will draw semicircles and then divide the square into multiple slices by adding diagonal lines to create lotus petals like effect. Fill up the triangle part, and then our petal pattern Zentangle is ready, and we are done with the 9th pattern. Okay, so we have 3 more to go, and by now you must have understood why and how I am creating these smaller boxes of the main square. Now follow me to create this pattern. This is super easy and looks amazing. in the next one, we are just going freehand to create these small half circles, and this is one of the cutest Zentangle pattern which looks like almost a complete painting. And here's the last one, and in this I am creating a mesh into the square by drawing 6 horizontal and 6 vertical parallel lines. Now this pattern is little tough and need a little bit of patience, but don't worry, we have already created 11 and this pattern is so nice, it's worth a try. Now I'm dividing each smaller squares into 2 parts by drawing diagonal line and draw these diagonal lines opposite to each other. Now follow very carefully how to fill them up to create a windmill like pattern. Here you can start from any direction. There's only one trick, you will have to fill one and leave one, and keep continue doing this for the rest of it. And we are done! Thank you for watching, guys. Go ahead and try them out, and I hope you like the video, and I'll come back next week with a new video where I will create a painting using this Zentangle pattern. So stay updated, like my Facebook page Easel, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The links are in the description, and see you next week. Bye bye.